Yes, now students, now second chapter, addition. This is from workbook. Workbook sums, workbook problems. Now, our second chapter addition. See here, find out the sum of each of the following. 6 questions were given: A, B, C, D, E, F. In these 4 questions, we have to add and we have to find the solution. In the first one, direct plus sign is given, so we have to add and we have to give the solution. Here, addition symbol is given. Addition means just we have to add and we have to give the solution. Here, 21 plus 15. Plus means addition only. Plus means addition only. This sign we can read it as plus. So here 25 more than 30. If more than is given, plus is given and plus sign is given, whatever it is, that is addition only. Now 32 is added to 24. Added means addition. Added means addition. So there we say here also we add. Add, here direct add, 36 to 22. 36 to 22. Add, added, more than, plus, plus sign, whatever it is. So we have to add only. We have to add. So here 5 variations given. So how many variations given? 5 variations given. One is plus variation. The second one, B is more than is given. And the third added is given. And add 36 to 22. And plus sign is given. So these many variations are given. So whatever the variations are given, just we have to add and we have to write our solution here. So how 44 and 32 we have to add. 44, 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. And 4 plus 2, 4 and 3, 5, 6, 7. 76. What is the answer here? 76. Next, 32 and 32. 32 and 32. We have to add 2. 2 again 2. We have to add first ones places, then after that tens places. 2. 2 after 2. 3, 4. 4. 3 and 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. 64. 60. Answer is 64. Next, here 21 plus 15 means 21 and 15 we have to add. Then 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 36. Here answer is 36. Here 25 more than 30. 25 more than 30 means plus. 25 and 30. We have to add. We have to add. Now 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 is 5 only. See, if any number is added with 0, so we will get the same number only. So this we did in first class as well as in our textbook in second class also. Then 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. 55. 55. Okay. Now 32 is added to 24. 32 is added to 24. Addition. Then 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. And 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 56. 56. 32 plus 24 is 56. Now here, that added 36 to 22. 36 and 22. This added. 6 plus 2, 6. 7, 8. 7, 8. Here 8 in ones place. In tens plus 3 and 2. 3 plus 2, 3. 4, 5. 58. The answer here is 58. 58. So in this way we have to add. We have to add our sums. Okay. So 3 types of variation given. 5 types of variation is given. So whatever variation is given, so our method is addition. So if plus is given, more than is given, add is given, added is given, and plus symbol is given, so the thing we have to add. We have to add only. Now here add the tens and ones. Here ones and tens we have to add. Here 6 sums are there. More 3 sums were there, that is there in your textbook. Total 9 sums were given. So 6 sums we are going to do. So remaining 3 sums were there. That 3 sums you have to do as your home assignment. Okay. Now 7 ones. First we have to add ones, not tens. First we start addition from addition, subtraction, whatever it is. We start from ones only. Ones, tens, 100 like that. Okay. From right to left we have to move. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. If 1 is added to any number, then we get successor, means 8. 7 successor is 8. Then 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. 58. Now, ones first, 4. 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 7 plus 3. 3 plus 7, 7 plus 3, anyhow same only. So first you take bigger and then add smaller one. 7, it is very easy to you. So whenever your addition is there, first you select the bigger one and add smaller one to that bigger one. Okay. 3, 7 first. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Then after ones. 8 plus 0. If 0 is added to any number, then we get the same number only. That number 8. Then 6 plus 2. 6, 7, 8. Then 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 here. Then bigger number and smaller number. Added smaller number to the bigger number. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. Then 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 here. 3 plus 1. So then we will get successor. 3 successor is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 5, 6, 7, 8. 86. This is the way of addition. This is the way of addition. Way of addition. In the both cases, here added tens and ones. Here also addition of tens and ones only. So we have to add. We have to do our addition in this way. Okay. Yes. Now the next question is add by counting. Add by counting. So first we have to add and count and we have to write. So first you count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Total how many? 24. So this first set, complete this first set consists of 24 boxes. How many boxes? 24 boxes. Next, this second set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in this only 9 boxes were there. Only you have to take only 9 boxes. Don't take 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you take here 9. Then 24 plus 9 is how much? Then here till 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Answer is 33. So adding by counting. So we have to count and we have to add. We have to add. So here also. In this is our first set. In this first set, how many boxes were there? So we have to count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Total 22 boxes. Total 22 boxes were there in first set. In the second set, 1 box. 22 plus 1, 23. Total how many boxes? 23. 23 boxes. In the third, here see, this is complete our first set. This is our second set. first set and second set. Now you count first set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. In complete in first set, how many boxes were there? 45. You have to take 45 here. And this is our second set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the second set, how many boxes were there? 10. 45 plus 10, how much? So adding by counting, count and add. Here 45 till here 45 boxes, then 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So then what is our answer? 55 is our answer. So like this we have to count and we have to add. We have to count and we have to add. Now students, change the order of addends and find the sum. Addends order we have to change and we have to find. Here 64, 32, 32, 64. Here first addend is 64 and second addend is 32. But here first addend is 32 and 64. So we are changing the order. Here also 34, 55, 55, 34. 62, 36, 36, 62. So in this case, what is the answer? We have to check. Okay, 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 96. Here, 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 3 plus 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 96. If the order of the addend will change, the sum is same. The sum is same. So whatever if order of the addend will change, the sum remains constant, means remains same. There is no change in the sum. There is no change in the sum. Then 4 plus 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 3 plus 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 89. And here 5 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 89. 89 and 89. Sum is 89 only. Sum is 89. Order of the addend here changed. 34 and 55, 55 and 34. Here first addend is 34 and second addend is 55. Here first addend is 55 and second addend is 34. Then 2 plus 6, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 98. And here 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. And 3 plus 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 98. 98 and 98. So in this way we have to add and we have to check if addend will change. So order of the addend will change, then what happened? The sum is constant. The plus means the addition answer remains same. Then in the second next fifth question, add given numbers using the number line and write the sum in the box. Here in the first one, in the first question it is given 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6 we have to add on the number line. 12. Where is 12? From 0 to 12 we have to move. 0 to 12. And then after that 6 we have to move forward. Means 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is the answer here? 18. 18 is our answer. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 is our answer. Here 22 plus 8. 22 plus 8 is how much? 22 means first we move till 22. Till 22. Then after that 8. 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where it stops? 30. 22 plus 8 is 30. This is the answer. So in the number line we have to add like this. So this is 12 till here 12 and this is 6. Here 22 till here and this is plus 8. So these are our answers on number line. Addition on number line. This is if added order will change, then how the sum remains constant. So in this more one question is there, A, B, C, 3 sums we did and one more sum is there, same similar sum that you do as your home assignment. Yes, now students, what problems? Here 1, 2, 3 what problems are given. So first we have to read out the question. Rinki's farm gave 68 watermelons. How many watermelons? 68 watermelons. And Deepu farm gives 51 watermelons. How many watermelons did they both grow together? So total watermelons we have to find. So then number of watermelons in Rinki's farm. How many watermelons? 68. This is number of watermelons in Rinki's farm. This many watermelons they grow. Then number of watermelons in Deepu's farm. How many watermelons in Deepu's farm? 51. Now we have to find total watermelons. Then total means we have to add. 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11. 119 watermelons. 119 watermelons. So first we have to write number of watermelons in Rinki's farm. Then number of watermelons in Deepu's farm. Then after taking both, we have to write here. So ones place in ones place and tens place in tens place. Then after that we have to add. Don't write in zigzag way. Okay. Now balloons vendor at the circus sold 79 balloons yesterday. Number of balloons sold yesterday. Who sold? Vendor sold yesterday. How many? 79 balloons. Today how many balloons? So he sold 79 balloons. 79 balloons. And he sold 30 balloons. 30 balloons today. Number of balloons sold today. How many balloons? 30. Then total how many balloons he sold, vendor sold. Then we have to add. 9 plus 0 is 9. 7 plus 3 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 109 balloons he sold. Total balloons, total vendor sold 109 balloons. 109 balloons he sold. Next, 58 employees arrived on their ways to work by walking. So by walking, how many employees they are coming to office? 58 and 30 more employees they arrived on bus. So they are on bus. Then how many employees will there be on total in an office? Then here number of employees, number of right complete, number of employees, alright, office by walk. How many employees? 58. This many employees arrived by walk. The number of employees, arrived office by bus. By how many employees they arrived by bus? 30 more employees. Then total employees. Now we have to find total employees. Now total employees means we have to add 8 plus 0 8, 5 plus 3 5, 6 7 8, 88. Total employees 88 employees. These many employees were there in the office. Okay. So these three are the word problems. Then regrouping numbers. How to regroup numbers? Here 6 tens, 19 ones. Here 6 is there. Here this is in ones, this is in tens. Ones and tens. Already here 6 tens and 1. 6 plus 1. So this tens we have to add this. 6 plus 1. 7. 7 tens and 9 ones. 9 ones. And in the same way, this is ones, this is tens. 3 tens and 1 ten. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 tens and 0 ones. 0 ones. This is ones, this is tens. 5 plus 1, 6 tens and 6 ones. And here, this is ones, this is tens. Here 6 tens and 2 tens. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 tens and 1 ones. 1 ones. In this way we have to regroup. So in the ones, number of ones, how many tens were there? That tens we have to add here. So that total tens we keep here, and number of ones whatever is there, that we keep there. That we have to write there. Okay.